First solution. Let's go a menu, click setting, click here, second solution. Let's go WhatsApp, click here, click setting, click here, third solution. Click setting, applications, click manage your apps, we go down, click WhatsApp, click on data users, fourth solution. Click here, applications, manage your apps, we go down, click WhatsApp, click on permissions apps, click here, I'm ready, my friends. Fifth solutions. Let's go a menu, click settings, applications, click manage your apps, we go down, click WhatsApp, click on start, I'm ready, my friends. Goodbye, friends. Subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments if it helped you with this video.